स्टार्ट में एक छोटी सी रिकॉर्डिंग बना देता हूँ। SPRO एंटर। यहाँ पे आके एंटरप्राइज स्ट्रक्चर, डेफिनेशन, फाइनेंशियल अकाउंटिंग, एडिट कॉपी डिलीट, चेक कंपनी कोड। अच्छा। कॉपी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑब्जेक्ट आप अपना यहाँ पे बना लें। अम, यहाँ पे आप बना सकते हैं, लेट्स से NAP, नैप। और यहाँ पे SAP एंटरप्राइज, या आप 0001, ठीक है, ये आप ले लें। ये आपका दिस इज योर SAP बाय डिफॉल्ट, अ टेम्पलेट कंपनी, वॉल्डॉर्फ। से यस। डू यू वांट टू कॉपी GL अकाउंट? नो, विल क्रिएट दैट लेटर। Company code, controlling area are assigned 101. In structure, both can be copied together. Do you want to copy company code? No. Action is cancelled. How come? No. Do you want to copy company code separately? Yes. Do you want to allocate a different local currency? Yes. Currency will be AED. Yes. Certain data was not copied. Yes. 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 And just say yes to everything. So it will start copying tables. Okay. This will be FICO, NAP, Sam Faisal. Enter, enter. Easy, very easy. Okay. Transport the intervals. Yes, 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 yes. You have to keep doing this for quite some time. So I'm already giving you the roadmap to start practicing. This is very easy, very easy.
Sir, it's generating a company code, right?
Sorry, what did you say?
We are doing whatever. Yes.
We
We are
are
just
we
what
are
we have done this process.
we are copying some tables which has intervals, numbering ranges, some table settings, interval limits, buffers. That's it. Because sometimes this helps you to avoid legwork in further configuration that will come ahead. Okay. So we are just copying a template that SAP has provided so that our company in the enterprise structure is aligned with the SAP in that we have. Okay.
The process called what do you call this process?
We
We're
are
copying the
actually
template.
we
Called dot
are
copy.
we are right we are copying company code from a template that we have in SAP. Okay.
That process.
This is a good fast system because it is from 2022. But it has to go through many steps. I have just pressed the enter key without lifting my finger. So it will just keep on saving it.
It's saving in the cloud, right?
Okay. Activity is completed. Okay. Next is new entries, nap, double click, nap tech, Sharjah, country is AE, currency is AED, English is the language, and save. Okay, easy. Okay, once we are done, next step is financial accounting, general ledger setting, master data, GL accounts, preparations, edit chart of accounts list, new entries, NAP, NAP NAP, chart of accounts, maintenance language, English, length of GL 10, save, save. Okay, assign company code to chart of accounts. NAP, NAP, save, save. Define account group. For account group, what I'll do,
Sir, what is account group actually?
I'll tell you that. Okay. NAP, okay. Oh, I guess let's stop over